Power of the pilot in command of foreign aircraft to deliver person commits offence on board aircraft to Thailand. Background: Thailand is a signatory to the following international aviation security instruments. Number 1. The Convention on Offence and Certain Other Acts Committed on Board Aircraft, signed in Tokyo in September 1963, or Tokyo Convention. Number 2. The Convention for the Suppression of Unlawful Seizure of Aircraft, signed at The Hague on 16 December 1970, or the Hague Convention. Number 3. The Convention for Suppression of Unlawful Acts Against the Safety of Civil Aviation, signed at Montreal on 23 September 1971, or Montreal Convention 1971. And number 4. Protocol for Suppression of Unlawful Acts of Violence of Airports Serving International Civil Aviation, supplementary to the Convention for the Suppression of Unlawful Acts Against the Safety of Civil Aviation, done at Montreal on the 23rd of September 1971, or the Montreal Protocol 1988. Thailand has enacted the following laws to implement international aviation security instruments. 1. Acts on certain offences committed against civil aviation, BE 7521 or 1978. Number 2. Acts on certain offences committed against civil aviation, BE 2521 or 1978. Issue number 2, BE 2538 or 1995. Number 3. Acts on certain offences committed against civil aviation, BE 2558 or 2015, which is the new Act. The Act number 3 has replaced and repealed the previous two Acts in compliance with the four international aviation security instruments. Discretion of the PIC under the new Act, Article 36. Under Article 36, Paragraph 3, notification, acceptance of notification, report, and acceptance of the report from the PIC of foreign aircraft operating into the Kingdom of Thailand shall be in accordance with the regulation jointly determined by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Ministry of Transport, and the National Police Commissioner. The three ministries have jointly determined the regulation on notification, acceptance of notification, acceptance of delivery of persons from aircraft for prosecution in Thailand, and initial investigation, BE 2562 or 2019. The regulation has been issued and publicized in the Government Gazette on the 5th of August 2019. Procedure before landing. The pilot in command duty. If a pilot in command found an offense committed on board an aircraft, he or she shall inform without undue delay by radio communication or by electronic means, if possible before landing, that he intends to disembark a person or deliver or not to deliver a person for prosecution, and also shall inform the measures that have been taken and reasons for taking such measures. The information shall be notified to the official competent for acceptance of notification, who shall record notification and forward the same to official competent for the acceptance of report. Procedure after landing. The pilot in command, who has notified an offense before landing, so after landing, he or she shall deliver the record and report with reasons for delivery of a person to an official competent for acceptance of report with evidence containing the following particulars: 1. Name, date of birth, nationality, and passport number of the person to be disembarked or delivered to prosecution in Thailand, and of the damaged persons and address of such persons if available. 2. Travel information of such persons, e.g., place of departure, place of destination, seat number, flight number, and the country of registration of an aircraft. 3. The circumstance of event and act of such person. 4. Date of the act, and in case the location is known, please specify the country or territory over which the act was committed. 5. Measures taken and the reasons for which measures have been taken. 6. Is there If there is any damaged person who requires treatment from such act. 7. The eyewitness or evidence from the event if available. 8. Measures necessary for the protection of the safety of the aircraft, person, property in the aircraft. And 9. In case of the PIC intend to deliver such person for prosecution in Thailand, please specify the charge according to the penal law of such country of registration of the aircraft. After the record or report has been submitted, the official competent for the acceptance of report shall record the receipt of the report. In case the PIC intends to prosecute a person, and if the aircraft is registered in the signatory state to the Tokyo Convention, he shall allow the delivery of a person. But in case the PIC has no intention to prosecute a person, he shall use discretion to release such a person. The entering into or departing from Thailand or of such person shall be in accordance with the immigration laws. The official competent for the acceptance of report shall report to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to contact the state of registration of the aircraft and the state of nationality of such person and other interested states about the detention of such a person. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs shall then facilitate the contact with the diplomat of a country of nationality of such a person. Then the official competent for the acceptance of report shall report the circumstance to the official competent for investigation. After being reported, the official competent for investigation shall initially investigate such person at the airport where such a person has been delivered or any other place where the aircraft has made forced landing without undue delay. The official competent for investigation shall, if the case is unenforceable and no extradition request is made, detain such a person as necessary for the purpose of allowing such person to depart from Thailand, or in case such a person is permitted to stay in Thailand, to release such person. But if the case is enforceable, he shall submit initial investigation report record of the pilot in command, including all evidence, to the police for further actions, and shall also notify in writing to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs with the same report, record, and other information for notifying the state of registration and state of nationality of such person and other interested states of the intention of Thailand to prosecute or not to prosecute such person with a copy to the Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand. Thanks for watching. If you like to subscribe this channel, please press the button provided below. Or if you want to hear anything more about the topic, please also write in the comment box below as well. Thank you and goodbye.